back to my channel and welcome to another try on haul. This haul is specifically pieces that I got from CONTEMPO. I have 4 with me right now. It's 4 different types of dresses, and so I thought I would just film a separate CONTEMPO haul instead of putting them in with another haul. So yeah, I'm gonna show you these dresses. This dress that I'm wearing now is the first piece. So if you want to see this CONTEMPO haul, then just keep on watching. The first piece is this beautiful white dress here. It's made out of almost like a scuba feeling like material. I don't think it is scuba, but it's very very stretchy, very like, I don't know how to describe it, but if you've ever felt like a scuba skirt, that's what this feels like. But yeah, this is the dress. How pretty is this dress? It's so long. It's like a midi dress, very modest. It's got this beautiful print on it, very pretty flowers, crisp white color, so nice. I'm actually obsessed. It's got that like faux wrap feel because there's a seam that comes here. It's like it's sewn on, but it gives the illusion that the dress is like wrapped, so that's really pretty. It's got this double crossed, not double, this crossed chest area here with the, it actually does wrap around, and then it has this part sewn together just to keep it real cute and classy. And then the top of the dress, it has these like, what are these, like sleeve panels? I don't know. They're not, it's not just like a spaghetti strap, which is cute. It's got like the sleeves, they're just off the shoulder, which I love. But how cute is this dress, you guys? I'm obsessed. It's so pretty. I'm in love. Okay, yeah, so like I said, it's from CONTEMPO. I have the tag yet, so I'll tell you. Okay, so I just quickly pulled the tag off. It is called the Career Regular Program Dress in Ivory Multiple. It was $325 originally, but I got it for $160, and it's in a size 24. I could have gone down a size for sure, but I don't really mind. It's so pretty, and like it's got this almost like gathered effect here, which I don't think I would have got if it was actually my size, but again, it could have been like on purpose. Yeah, I think it was on purpose. So it's got this like gathering look here. This is absolutely lovely. I love this. Okay, so this next piece has to be my least favorite. It's also from CONTEMPO. It's in a size 24, and it's called the Smart Casual Regular Program Dress in White. The original price was 475 Rand, and I got it for 250. It's this cotton. I'm pretty sure this is cotton. I'm not sure. If it's not cotton, I'll put it up on the screen, but it's this cotton dress, or cotton field dress. It's got this ruffle here on top. It's not really the most flattering dress in the world. It's got this ruffle detailing over here. And then it is a spaghetti strap. And then the back, this is how the back looks. It's got a zip along the side, but I don't use the zip to get into the dress. The reason why I bought this dress is because I have a baby shower coming up on the 21st of March. So the baby shower requirements are that you must come in all white. And I've worn all my white stuff to every baby shower that I've gone to. And that's a lot because they all want people to come in white. So I needed a white dress, and I was kind of running out of time. And it's only the 6th, I think, today, maybe the 4th. I don't know, but yeah. I think it might even be the second, to be honest. I don't know, but this is the dress that I got. It's not bad. It's just not like a I'm trying to be cute dress. And it's so hard to find white dresses now. Like crisp white, not cream. So this is the one that I got. It's not bad. I can wear it for sure. Maybe with a kimono, you know, make it look kind of like islandy because it is pretty flowy. Comes up just under, no, like way under my knee, almost by my calf. Yeah, it's cute. It's just not something I would have reached for was I not in a hurry. Yeah, here's a close-up. It's not bad, you know. It does have a slip dress underneath. There we go. See, that's how that looks. And then this one on top. We'll make it work because that's what we do here. We just work with what we have. Let's move on to the next one because the next one is really cute. Okay, wow, look at that. Woo, child. Okay, so this next dress is an off-the-shoulder dress. This one is called the Casual Regular Fashion Dress in the color Aqua. It's in a size 20, and this one was $4.75, but I got it for $2.40. This beautiful aqua blue dress that goes off your shoulders like that, and it's got this ruffle here on top, and then it's got this wrap feel to it. Very kind of, what is this? This reminds me of that Cardi B video where she's wearing a red dress. I can't remember what the song is, but like she does this with the red skirt or something. Anyway, I digress. So yeah, this beautiful dress has that it has a ruffle down the middle here. Let me show you quickly. It has an extra ruffle here where it kind of like overlaps, and then the other side has the same. The slip dress underneath is this pretty aqua blue color, super pretty, and then it's pretty long as well. Like if I step back, which I shouldn't have to do, but if I step back I would definitely step on it. So yeah, that's how it looks. I hope you can see. Let me show you the back of the dress. So it does kind of fall like down like that on your back, but it's really, really flattering. It's super flattering, super cute, very island girl. Like, I swear, I'm supposed to go on vacation at the end of the year, but we don't know if that's gonna happen because there's a lot of unknown variables at this point in time. But if we do go, you'll probably see a lot of these photos with this and other dresses. It's probably why I bought so many, but I do love maxi dresses, so even if I wasn't going anywhere, like, maxi dresses are just so flattering. I'm obsessed. So yeah, this one, I told you, it's in a size 20. I got it for $2.40. Really pretty, from CONTEMPO. Okay, so one more dress to go. Let's put it on. And we're back. So this is the last piece in this haul. Wow. I just looked at myself in the mirror for the first time in this dress, and I think it looks so nice. So this is the last piece from CONTEMPO. It's this beautiful floral kind of beachy tropical dress. It almost looks like a swimsuit cover. It's so pretty. Wow. Okay, let me show you a close-up. It is this almost like it looks shiny. It almost looks like satin in real life. I don't know if that's picking up on the camera, but it's got this like satin feel to it. It is super stretchy material. This is called the Career Regular Fashion Palm Beach Dress in size 18. Original price was $4.99 and I got it for $2.50. How beautiful is this dress, you guys? It's the perfect length on me. Like I said, I'm 157 centimeters tall and it's a perfect length on me. It like literally it barely hits the floor. How pretty. It's so nice. It's a straight cut. So it doesn't flare out at the bottom. It's got this beautiful cinched in waist here, and then it's got this like gathered effect here where it crisscrosses across the breast area, and then the sleeves are nice and loose. So this is gonna fit really nicely on a lot of people. I love this dress. It's actually so beautiful. Wow. Yeah, CONTEMPO did that. CONTEMPO has so many nice things, you guys. You just need to take your time to look through all the racks because it can be overwhelming. They have a lot of racks, but I mean, look at this. It looks very, very, very flattering. I love it. Super nice, super stretchy. It's so comfortable. I'm obsessed. Okay, you guys, so that is the end of this try on fashion haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I absolutely loved wearing these pieces. Actually loved it. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Check me out on all my social media. Leave all your video requests down below and I'll be sure to try and film them for you as soon as I can. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!